In this lecture, we will discuss first order gas phase reactions. First question. The following data were obtained during the first order thermal decomposition of N2O5 at constant volume. Reaction is given below. Data is given. Serial number means first experiment number 1 and experiment number 2. So experiment number 1, yes, this is the data at time 0. That means reaction has not started at 0. Total pressure 0.5 atmospheres. At a time 100 seconds. Total pressure 0.512. Calculate rate constant. This is the question given to you. So finally we are supposed to calculate rate constant. So dear students, first see the meaning here. Time 0, total pressure 0.5 atmosphere. What does it mean? Time 0 means reaction has not started yet. So when reaction has not started yet, that means no product. This is absent and this one, it is also absent. But which is present here? Yes, 0 seconds means just only reactant is present. So here total pressure 0.5. So this total pressure is due to the presence of reactant. So whatever 0.5 atmosphere, it is the pressure of reactant because time 0. At 0 products, we won't get any products here. So absolutely finally, whatever the total pressure is due to the pressure of the N2O5 or reactant. This is the meaning. Be careful, okay? Next meaning. 100 seconds. After some time t equal to 100 seconds, total pressure 0.512 atmosphere. Again, okay, 0 at 0, this term absent and this term will be absent. But after some time, there is a decrease in N2O5. That means N2O5 value decreases. At the same time, formation of the products will start. So we will get some value N2O4 and we will O2. That means pressure. Total pressure 0.512 is the sum of the pressure of N2O5, N2O4 and oxygen. But earlier case total pressure is only due to the only one reactant. But second case 100 seconds. So what is the total pressure? 0.512. It is due to the all N2O5, N2O4 and O2. This is the meaning of the data. Okay. Calculate rate constant. Now we will see the answer. Next. Yes, answer. This is the reaction already. It is given in the question. 2N2O5 gives rise to N2O4 plus O2. First one. Yes. At a time t equal to 0. At a time t equal to 0. 0 means remember always reaction has not started yet. Okay. So 0.5 atmosphere. It is given in the question. So that 0.5 atmosphere is the reactant only because reaction has not started. So 0.5 belongs to the N2O5 reactant. Okay. So at t equals 0, we don't get any products. So product value is 0 and 0. Okay. Now, what do you expect after some time? Yes, after some time, some pressure will decrease. N2O5 pressure decreases. At the same time, pressure of N2O4 develops here. Here also pressure of O2 will develop. Okay. So what will happen? Yes, at time t equal to 100 seconds, t equal to 100 seconds. Check here. So what is the pressure? 0.5 minus 2x. Already 0.5 at t equal to 0. After some time 2x represents 2x. Yes, this is the decrease amount of the pressure. Why I am using 2x here? Actually, let take x equal to amount of pressure decrease. Amount of pressure decreases per a mole. So for 1 mole of N2O5, x is the amount of the pressure decreases. But how many moles are present here? 2 moles are present. So for 2 moles, so whatever the decrease, it should be 2x. So overall decrease 0.5 minus 2x. Come here, right hand side, N2O4. So when here x per mole decreasing, so right hand side x per mole will increase. So how many moles are present here? 2. So we are getting 2x. Here only 1 is present, so we are getting x atmospheres. Okay, is it clear? So you studied in case of chemical equilibrium 11th class. Okay, finally here one more point. Yes, at t equal to 100 seconds, what is the here? What is the total pressure? 0.5 plus 0 plus 0. If you add all these values, you will get total pressure again 0.5 atmospheres. But at t equal to 0, total pressure equal to 0.5 minus 2x plus add कीजिए 2x 10 plus x. If we add all these three terms, you will get total pressure. Again, the total pressure is equal to the 0.512 already, which is given in the question. Now we will see here. Yes, total pressure PT equal to 0.5 minus 2x, this term, because at t equal to 100 seconds all are present here. At the same time pressure is due to 2x plus x equal to get cancelled 2x and 2x. We are getting 0.5 plus x. Next step. This is the next step. So finally here, yes, PT x equal to, yes, x equal to, send 0.5 to this side, you will get a PT minus 0.5. X equal to, PT is given in the question, total pressure. So 0.512 minus 0.5 equal to 0.012 atmosphere. This is the x value. Means x value means, yes, this is the pressure, 0.012 atmosphere. This is the pressure decreases per 1 mole of N2O5. For 2 moles, just multiply with 2, you will get answer. Yes. So pressure of N2O5, equal to, what is the pressure here? N2O5 का pressure यहाँ देखिए 0.5 minus 2x. So 0.5 minus 2x, 0.5 minus 2x, x already you are getting from here 0.012. So 0.012, you are getting finally 0.476 atmosphere. Yes, this is the solution. Actually, this is the procedure. This is very important step, how to write, because many students generally they make mistake here. They take x and again they take x like this. Okay, you can take x also here. If you take x, it becomes x by 2. If you take x, it becomes x, but it becomes x by 2. How to take is very important. Generally we study in case of the chemical equilibrium. Okay, now check here, k equal to 2.303 by t A by A minus X. What is A here? A means starting, initial. Pressure of the N2O5 0.5 at by A minus X means remaining. So this is the initial, this is the remaining. Remaining how much? P of N2O5 at 100 seconds. 100 seconds equal to 0.5 minus 2x. So already we are getting 0.476. Just we are substituting the values of what we have already. So finally K equal to 4.93 into 10 power minus 4 second inverse. Okay, procedure, actually this is the exact procedure how to solve the question, how to this, but direct method is there. Already one formula was mentioned earlier for gas phase reactions, how to calculate rate constant. This one, K equal to 2.303 by T log Pi means initial pressure by 2 Pi minus Pt. This is the formula is used for the rate constant in case of the gas phase reactions. You can use this formula directly. 2.303 by T, put the T value, how much, 100 seconds, log Pi initial 0.5 here by 2 Pi, 2 into again Pi 0.5 minus Pt. Pt is given in the question, that is 0.512. You will get the answer, same answer you will get. This is the direct method we use in exams, especially. This is the procedure, exact procedure how you are getting. Focus on the procedure, because this formula of we cannot use in all, we cannot use for all problems. Next problem we will see. Okay, direct method. Yes. Second question. The following data were obtained during the first order thermal decomposition of SO2Cl2 at constant volume. Reaction is given. Calculate rate constant and rate. Now check here. 0 means this is the initial. At initial, at 0, this is the pressure, means this pressure is due to the SO2Cl2. So this is the A value, initial value. Okay. Next, A minus X we don't know. This is the total pressure, means PT value. PT value 100 seconds. This means sum of this one and this one and this one equal to 0.6. Same question earlier we have discussed. Apply the direct formula. So here I am going to apply direct formula. This is the direct formula. Pi is given in the question. Pi is given, yes, 2 into Pi 0.5 minus Pt 0.6. Just substitute, you will get answer. Yes. So finally what is K value? K equal to 2.2316 into 10 power minus 3 second inverse. But check the question. Rate constant and rate. So how can you write the rate? Rate equal to K into SO2Cl2 power 1, because it is a first order reaction. It is already mentioned in the question. Just I have substituted K value. At the same time, SO2Cl2. What is SO2? Yes, this is important point. Check here. SO2Cl2. This concentration at 100 seconds we have to calculate. So initial 0.5. Okay, at this time you will get 0.6 is the total pressure. So that means this value 2 Pi minus Pt, this value, yes, this gives the A minus X value, 2 Pi minus Pt. So you will get 1 minus 0.6, 0.4. That 0.4 is to be substituted here, because whatever the concentration, this concentration at 100 seconds, that means remaining 100 seconds, 2 Pi minus Pt is the remaining one. Okay, so this is the procedure. Practice more questions, then you can get a clarity. Okay, thank you for watching my video.